Hello and welcome to Web 2.0 Foundations. My name is Mr. Steele-Maley and this is an introductory video to week 1 in the spring 2013 course here at Wiscasset High School. There is a lot that we're going to do together, and this first week is really a tone-setting week for both of us, and the focus is on building community, what it means to be in a community, what you are interested in, and then what the school is interested in as far as both knowledge acquisition and skills building that you need to accomplish in this core course at Wiscasset High School. So what is Web 2.0 Foundations? As you can read on the screen as well, at the heart of Web 2.0 Foundations is the question, what is learning in the 21st century? We will venture to answer that question through many different pathways. But one of the largest facets of this course is going to be research, both academic research in traditional forms, but then also the new types of research that are enabled by the internet, but then also by new forms of learning. You're going to do quite a bit of that in student-directed project-based methodologies, but you'll also be exploring different softwares that make that process easier. You're going to be exploring Web 2.0 technologies that you've probably been used to using in very, very social manners like Twitter, and we'll take a look at those in a different light here, how we can build and contribute to the web versus just consuming the web, for instance. And then throughout the course, network learning is going to be a theme, and network learning you will come to know as both face-to-face and online, a learning method where your voice matters. And so how you interact with your peers, how you interact with me, how you interact with the school and the world will all be looked at through the lens of networks. And we'll go over that in depth more over the coming weeks. The central goal, again, is to become fluent thinkers in the realms of 21st century learning. So a little bit more about Web 2.0 Foundations. There are a couple of major facets or components of the course. Like I said prior, building a personal learning environment, a personal learning network will be something that we undertake in this course. That is going to be a process which we take the environments that we're used to, both physically here and then online, and put those together to be optimal learning environments. And then with the networked component, we'll take those optimal learning environments for us and network with the wider world and online spaces. And then the student-directed project is a core piece of the course. We're going to go through the entire research process from topic, passion, identification to essential question asking and the research process towards a product that you'll be able to have at the end of the course that represents a large body of research. So that is another component. And then the idea of course participation is something that is throughout the entire course. We're going to talk about participation in online environments, participation in course environments, and really start to look more deeply at what it means to be a democratic learner, not just a learner. So I hope you're looking forward to that. We're going to be using a wide range of research tools in this course, some of which you'll get to jump right into in week 1, including the Canvas site that I am on right now. You're also going to have the opportunity to download Evernote this week and start to take notes on media to get you thinking. We'll be using blogs, social and collaborative bookmarking. We'll be using Twitter, and you can start with Twitter as soon as possible. Hashtag Web20Found, and much more. All of the texts and readings will be provided for you online, and so this site of Canvas, which is explained in another tutorial in week 1, is full of all the essential elements that you'll need as far as course requirements for reading and others. There'll be ways that you can contribute to that reading very soon as well through social and collaborative bookmarking. And we'll talk about that as the course progresses. The approach of this course is very important because it is a little bit different, and I've mentioned it already, but it bears mentioning again. There will be synchronous classroom sessions where we meet as you've been used to meeting in classes, and those are going to be very, very important pieces. That's where we collaborate and push information and find new pathways and interact as democratic learners. But the majority or a major portion of this course will also happen online in what I call asynchronous spaces. Those spaces are going to be discussion forums and blogs and Twitter and your social and collaborative bookmarking and how you network those types of things. And so that portion of the course might be new to some of you, and it's going to be really important that you get used to that as soon as possible. The course runs 24/7, runs Sunday to Sunday, which will be new for some of you as well, but I hope you find it beneficial. Those of you that want to get ahead and get things done for the week can do so. Those of you who with extremely busy schedules who might need to push things or flex things every now and then will be able to do that as well. So hopefully there's something in it for everyone. I'm not going to go into the campus learning management system right now because that is included in another video that is in week 1. However, it's important that you go ahead and get to a place where you're comfortable with Canvas and you can navigate. Of course, you need to sign in as well. That is gone over in, again, the other video. So this week, if we do take a look at the modules real quick, you'll see that there's a research module. This contains most of the information that you'll need for the course and different research, for instance, academic notes and writing and discussion guidelines, and then some other PLE and PLN research tools. And then each week will have week 1 and the overview of week 1. If you click on any of those links, you'll come to an overview that essentially, as I said before, gives you a different in this week 1, a more tool-based introduction, and then this introduction will be there as well. And you can go down to your tasks and what you need to do. Media to get you thinking this week will be from Mike Wesch, and then I give a lab schedule of the general motion of the week. This week is a big discussion week, so make sure that you go ahead and watch this media to get you thinking and get into the introduction discussion and follow the directions there. We're going to be using your content from that introductions discussion, which is due on Wednesday, for the majority of our discussions on Thursday and Friday. So I look forward to seeing you all this week and having you all in Web 2.0 Foundations. It should be an amazing, highly networked experience for everyone, and I expect to learn as much from you as you do from me. So we will see you very, very soon.